Pull up in the 97 Benz, sexy with that fire truck red, smoking while I cruise through the valley. Looks like we don't give a shit. 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 Looks like we don't give a shit.
Yeah, I ain't got no skeletons in my luxury walk-in. They ain't know I'm innocent, baby. Look who is talking. They ain't even ready spaghetti, baby. They sauceless. Speeding through the city, we medicated the horses. You could hit up Peter, the paint on me make me gorgeous. I'ma take the geese and chinchilla coat on a walk-in. Don't forget the cheetah print, speed up, come here, record it. If that shit ain't bleeding and screaming, I do not want it. Pull up in the 97 Benz, sexy with that fire truck red, smoking while I cruise through the valley. Looks like we don't give up. Said looks like we don't give a shit. 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 Yeah, said these are clothes, motherfucker, what are those? You look like a butterface, butter body, butter toes. I put can't believe it on my early morning butter toast. Y'all cannot believe I'm not a fiend and that it wasn't cold. You look so uncomfortable, you could have a seat and several hundred more. Hop up off my D just like a bunny go. Hop up out the scene and now they wanting more. I don't know, I like when they plead and begging please. Now where the fuck is those? Pull up and they smiley instead, like they wasn't trying to fight me in threads. And a tweet that I'ma probably still stand by. Keep your money funky, bitch, cause I don't play about the. They gon' buy it, they gon' pipe it, they gon' play it, they consume it. If you're scooting, let me know, cause that's a comment, that's a view, and that's a rate, and that's some hate, and that's engagement I can use, and I can teach y'all how to do this, but I'd much rather be cruising. Watch me pull up in that 97 Benz, sexy with that fire truck red, smoking while I cruise through the valley. Looks like we don't give a shit. Said, looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit. Yeah, looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't. We don't. Motherfucker. This isn't my fourth meal. Dishes on my ass, still I'm thicker than some oatmeal. Glass houses, I don't really like to keep my stones there. Oh well, I buy another property for $4 million. Doe man said that you gon' have to leave your phones there. On the boat, yeah, it's really no fair. The only problem that I have, and I'll be so real, I hit the stage and lose the crystals on my toenails. Make the whole nail, she kill that like a old nail. Making mobiles till I cop the mobile. Can't drive cause I really don't need to. Got some professionals, they're really nice people. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. It's like taking candy from a baby. Yeah. Yeah. It's like taking candy from a baby. So easy, so cheesy, so fresh, so queasy, so nauseous, so sick. Is it coke? Is it crack? Is it meth? What the fuck do she put in them hits? I'm the shit, you a real piece of shit. I am needed, you a real needy bitch. I'm competing, you are incompetent. You are fleeting cause you can't copy this. Copy this. copy that. Every bitch that is here, copycat. Copy the greats, that's my number one strategy. But beware that you can't copy stats.
It's like taking candy from a baby. It's like taking candy from a baby.
And remember this, girls. None of you can be first.